Hello everyone here. I hope you are doing great on the ship. Yes, fantastic. What about you, sir? Great. So I just want to confirm here if any one of you having any kind of health issue, any kind of injury, any kind of pain, please let me know while I am collecting your room cards. Also, please confirm that you are all here empty stomach. That's great. So today we are going to perform Pathway to Yoga section 1. So we should start now. For that we need a mat here and we are going to start. Keep your feet together. Inhale by lifting your hands up. Stretch your arms through your torso. Now exhale while doing front forward. Keep your hands on chin and try to forward your body. Inhale and exhale and come down. Now take your right step back. Keep the knee down. Inhale and lift your hands from sides. Now exhale while coming down and keep your hands down. Now keep your both legs back. Now knees down, your body down, toes relaxed, and keep your whole body down. Lift your neck and chest like mini cobra. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale and exhale and come to tabletop position. Now inhale here. Curl your toes. Lift your hips and exhale. Now push your heel toward the floor and stretch your calf one by one. If you are able to do both at a time, that's very great. You can do them at a time as well. Now take your right step around your hands. Keep your left knee down. Inhale while lifting your arms. Stretch your arms towards the sky. And exhale while coming down. Now keep your both hands between your hands. Keep your hands on your shin. Inhale. Now put it on mat. Exhale. Inhale. And going up. And exhale to the center of your heart. For now, we are going to perform section B here. So we'll start again. Keep your right arms from sides and inhale. Stretch your arms towards the sky. Feel the activation in your every muscle here. Now come down while exhaling. Again, keep your arms on your shin. Stretch your glutes, hamstring, calf. Inhale. Do the 3 cycles of breathing here and exhale. Now here what you can do, take a right step back but keep your knee lifted to check the balance you have. Now again lift your both arms from sideways while inhaling. Stretch your arms, your torso, feel the activation on your glutes, feel the pressure on your feet. Your knee should be above to your ankle. Now exhale and come down. Keep your both step back, knees relaxed, toes relaxed, and lay on the mat so your arms should be perpendicular to the floor. Again, lift your chin, your chest, and inhale. Exhale and come down. Come to tabletop position here. Inhale, curl your toes, lift your knees, lift your hips, stretch the calves again, and exhale. I hope everyone is able to do this stretch on their calves. If they are not, push heel one by one toward the floor. Now we'll do from the opposite side. Keep your right step between your hands. Keep your left knee lifted and now lift your arms and inhale. Exhale and come back to your position. Keep your hands on your shin. Move your body to forward. Feel the stretch on your lower part of the body. Now again your hands on mat. From the sides, inhale and lift your arm. And again, come back to the center of the heart while exhaling. So now we are going to perform section 3. So that inhale as same. Now exhale and be on the chair position. Again inhale here, straight your knees, put down your hands on the floor, feel the stretch here. Keep your arms on shin, stretch, inhale, and exhale while coming down. Now from here, what we are going to do, we are going to jump with both of our feet to the back. Okay, so jump. Now keep your knees down, toes relaxed, chest down, keep your hands little back, so your arms and forearms should be in the perpendicular to the mats. Lift your head, lift your chest and lower back and feel the activation in your glutes, hamstring and calf. This is the cobra pose. Now come down while exhaling. Curl your toes. Inhale and on your tabletop position while exhaling. Again inhale. Keep your toes curled. Lift your hips and exhale. Try to stretch your calf more. Now again from here we are going to jump between our feet together. Keep your arms on your shin now. Inhale. Come down and exhale. Lift your arm. Inhale. And exhale in the center of your heart. We are going to perform one more set of this, section C. So start again. Inhale. Exhale on the chair position. Inhale. Keep your knees straight, hands down, and exhale. Again, stretch your chin, push your body to the forward, feel the stretch on your glutes, hamstring, and calf. Exhale while coming down. Jump to the back, little more slowly. Keep your knees down, toes relaxed, chest down, and do the cobra pose. Curl your toes. Inhale and exhale while going down. Again inhale from here. Lift your hips, your calf, your knees to the downward dog position. You should always focus on the distance between your hands. Now inhale here and jump between your hands and exhale. Keep your arms on your shin. Inhale. Exhale while coming down. Inhale from this side, up, stretch your body. And exhale, center to the heart. So thank you so much. That's all for section A.